Yeah, this session is being recorded.
No.
Recording.
Okay. Now I have to convert it into array. Do I have to use a method copy value of or something?
No.
Conversion.
Not first see first you.
Okay. Shall I print the list?
See first you whatever you can do it, and afterwards I will make you to write a best way so that you will learn everything.
Okay. Okay.
Will not be missing anything like.
Okay. Iterator. Okay. This I have to import it. Control Shift.
Can we create a object for interface? Can we create a object for abstract class?
Yeah, this should be list.iterator. Yeah. And this should be integer. Yeah. This is fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine. You're trying to print list elements or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Seems that you practiced well. So let's do.
That will be iterator.next. Okay. So this would print the values.
Check.
Yeah. So I have to convert it into an array.
Right.
I am not sure of the method. Is it like
No, whatever you want to write it. I'll see. We'll make all the possible ways so that you will get everything.
Okay. I have the list. I need to put this list into an array. Int list array. Okay. This I'm not sure how to do.
So what is there? You just create an array and loop it through the list elements with for loop and add it to the array. What is there? That should be simple, right?
As in, I can use the list object for this array is equal to. You mean I need to convert the array list which is created to the array, right? Array form. It's a totally different form, right? Array list is converted to array.
Right.
Yeah, so list array is equal to. I have to create a new array. Is this correct? This I'm not sure. Like you said, I have to create an array, loop it, and add the elements.
Right.
Add as in with the add function of the list?
Hmm. For arrays, how do you do it?
For arrays, we use a, variable to point out to every index, and like for example, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than list length of list.
Remember always, for collection, there will not be any method called length. There will be method called size.
Okay. Okay.
Always remember this. You are using set or anything, you have to use size. Okay.
Okay.
Only for arrays you have length.
Okay.
You haven't defined the size of the array. have
List
not-
dot size.
No, you have not defined the size for an array.
Yeah, I have to. Yeah.
So you're wasting 6 memory blocks.
Yeah. For now, I can just make it 4 because my list has
Now,
4.
if I add one more, it is not going to work out. I want
Okay. So.
to be dynamic, right? Just think what we can do. You already used that. Why don't you create a array with list dot size? So what is the list?
List dot.
Yeah, inside of
Okay.
just type list dot size. Whatever the list is there,
Okay.
that much size I'm creating it. No,
Okay. Yeah.
that's it.
Got it.
Yeah,
So
one more thing before going there. See, the first floor base is right. Okay, it should not start in the next line. That is not a proper thing.
Okay.
It should
Yeah. Okay.
do it. Control Shift F once.
Yeah. It starts with the same line.
You should not
Yeah,
write that
right.
way. Okay, because if you write that way, that gives that you are not having hands-on in the programming. Okay, so don't forget.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So here, but I am not. Okay. I am just initializing the list elements to the array. I am not converting it, right?
Try. See, I mean, try whatever the possibility you can do it. Then we'll slowly I'll make you to write that way.
Okay.
Because we'll have to learn we'll have to learn all the possible ways. So that in future it is like we'll be learning more, right? Instead if I tell the answer, that is going to be only one way you learn. Write whatever the way you get it, then we will try to convert it with one step. How do we do it in one step?
Okay. So here. Oh, sorry.
So using Windows 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
List array. List array is equal to the elements of, I need to make both, convert, or since I don't have anything in the array, I can't print.
No, why you are printing? First set the elements to array.
Yeah.
First set the elements to array, then use for each loop and print the array.
Yeah.
How do we set the elements to an array?
You give the array method. Why is it showing blue? Oh, nothing happened?
Let it show. What is there? Let it show. It will get
Yeah.
set. It will get set once you write the proper, correct coding. It will set.
Okay. I need to set every index.
So what you need to keep there? Simple thing. You keep I.
Yeah, that is it. Okay. Here I'm thinking. Um,
List dot get of I.
okay.
That's it.
Get off. Right.
I.
Oh, nice. Okay. And I have to print it.
No, not there. Not there. Use for. Don't print it there. It is printing now. It won't be printing from array list. Array, right? Come out of that for loop. Create for each.
Oh yeah.
Come out of that and type only for. Type only for. Wait. Control space. Last fourth one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now print the I. This out I. This out I. Now the I value
But
is
only.
printing from the array.
Okay. I value is the index value, right?
No. Here, okay. Instead of int I, int number. Just instead of I, put it number. Any name you can give. Number.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Number would be. Yeah. Number.
whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Now it is index. No, right? It is a value actually. For each there won't be concept
Oh,
called
okay.
index.
Okay.
Now you can run the program.
Okay.
But here what we have done is we are not using any of the collection facilities. Okay. If you run the
Oh,
program,
we are right. List is a collection here.
no, I said collection facilities,
Facilities.
not
Okay.
collection methods or something. Well,
Okay.
not collections are. I'm saying collection facilities you are not using to conversion, not for creation. You have to use for creation because the concept is that. The question is that. So now what we are going to do is,
Okay.
okay, come out of that for loop,
Okay.
enter. Now, let's try some methods. Collections dot
Okay.
dot check any method is there as
Check as.
no check any method is there to convert it into array.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Sort. Okay. Somewhere I missed it.
Okay, not that actually. Go to, even it's been a long time I haven't looked at it, so I just referred it. I just referred it
Okay. Yeah. No problem.
size. Now what you can do is list dot
Okay.
check list dot, not collection actually. List dot check any method is there related to array. We are going to do it in one line, simple one line.
Yeah. Two array.
Wait. Go down. Check. There are two methods. So use
Two
the
array
second one.
with the argument and two array with the object.
With argument, take the second one.
So. Yeah.
In the argument,
So the argument.
wait, don't click anything. In the argument, what is expecting? T, and it is showing the square braces. Basically, it is expecting a integer array. It is expecting an array. So supply list array. Supply list array. Okay. No. Just type.
Okay.
That's it. Complete it.
So T braces means integer array, is it?
No, basically any
T
array.
braces means?
No, any array.
Mm-hmm.
It represents any array, but you use the integer, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I just asked you to put integer array. Okay, complete the statement.
Okay.
Complete.
Okay. Argument.
No.
Argument is I.
That is done. That is done. Complete the statement.
Okay. Okay.
Complete the statement.
Okay.
Complete the statement. Okay. Check. What is the list array? Not applicable argument.
List integer is.
Okay. So it's not doing the typecasting. Okay. 1 second. What we can do is keep that int as an integer. Okay. Do one thing.
Sure.
No. Do one thing. Come to 20. Or else 1 second. Let me do it 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, instead of list array in the 28th line, instead of list array, remove that, take out that new int of new space int of no small
caps?
I, small I. Let's text for
Okay.
small doesn't work, then we'll go for capital. Now
Okay.
define the size. Define the size. List dot size. One second. Save it. Now still it is showing the same, right? So now instead of int,
Yes,
put
same.
integer. Put integer. Instead of int, put integer with capital I.
Yeah.
1 second.
Yeah.
Now check the toArray method. Just press a control space on the toArray method. No, keep the cursor at 2. Okay. 1 second. So the second latter method is returning an array. Basically it is taking the array and it is returning an array. Right?
It is taking a list and returning array.
No. It is taking a array only. See,
Okay.
taking array only. So what you need to do is integer just before list in this line only. Before list, what you need to do is you need to say integer. Type integer brackets square braces
Okay.
numbers space numbers
Numbers?
numbers anything numbers space equal to
Okay.
okay. Now use for each below, use for each for each. No, don't type. Okay. Go click.
That's the
Yeah. Click on it. Now sys out integer.
yeah.
Sys out integer. Small.
Integer or numbers?
Small. Integer.
Okay.
Whatever is showing there in the bracket in the
Sure.
bar, we have to use, right? Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Now run this program. Let's see any error comes in.
Okay. I don't know what was done. Yeah. The array elements is 10, 20, 30, 40 has been printed.
So what we are doing is, see, when you are saying in the 28th line number, what we are doing is list.toArray. That means we are converting the list to array. Okay. In which, okay, but what is the kind of array? We need to supply it inside. What is the kind of array? It is an integer type of array. Okay. What is the size of the array? It is list.size.
Yeah, list.size.
Now, if you write this statement, it is going to return us an integer array with the elements of the list. So that's why we are getting a numbers array. We are iterating through the numbers array. Instead of we write a code,
So here you are giving it as an integer, and here there was an error that the type can't match. So you are declaring an integer array here.
because see,
It can't be.
the problem is auto boxing can happen. Okay. The thing is, we are using integer in the iterator, right?
Yeah.
So here, that's the reason we have to use integer. And one more thing, we cannot do it for a small int here, because arrays,
List is in.
collection, any collection deals with the objects. Okay.
Yeah.
So integers and all primitives. Okay.
So this is invalid, is it?
No.
So this one would be invalid.
That is valid. Why it is invalid?
Huh.
It is valid.
Okay.
That is your writing.
Yeah,
a
it
program. It is your writing a program. The second one is you are using the collection methods. Both are same.
Okay.
Open the toArray method. Go to toArray. Click on toArray. F3.
Okay.
F3.
F3. Okay. Okay. 1 second.
Yeah, the same problem with me also. Keep the function.
Yeah.
Attach source. External location. Second drop down. Second reader button. External file. Java. No, top. Folders. From Java. JDK. Zip source src. Open.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Now, close this. Close this file.
Okay.
Again, click on F3 on the toArray.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. This is a list, right? What you need to do? Wait. Keep a cursor. Just move a cursor onto a toArray. Don't click. Just move a cursor. Wait. Yeah. Okay. There's no pop-up. Okay. Fine. Select that toArray. Control Shift G. These are the main things which we use in real time. Okay, searching.
Okay.
Control Shift G.
Okay.
We are searching the references.
What will it search?
Yeah, what we are going to do is, it is going to search what are all the classes implementing this. Okay. It has a lot of things. No, not that way. You need to do press Control. Press Control.
Yeah.
And move the cursors to toArray. Wait. Open implementation. Now wait. You will get the thing in the pop-up. Right. So what we are doing?
Okay.
We are doing array list, right? Use the second one, array list of E. Second one.
Abstract?
No.
Oh,
Array list.
sorry. Okay.
Yeah. Click on that.
This one, right?
Click on that.
Okay.
Right.
Huh.
So little come down. We'll see the method. This method. toArray method. Slow. See. Wait.
That's the one.
See what they are doing here. Whatever we have done, they are doing with system.array copy. Okay. So here also they are doing the same. But the first method what we have done is we are also doing the same. The only thing is instead you do it, use the existing method so that your task will be easier. If you do some mistakes, it is going to be in trouble. If you give in to the Java, then there won't be any mistakes. So that's why it's better to use always the methods given.
toArray.
Yeah, toArray.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Here, what does it say? This is the type. Is it the syntax that has to be used
Actually,
there, or this is like method?
that is a little deeper concept of generics. Okay.
Okay.
See, wait. Usually, when you are when you don't define generics, what is the return type of any method? Yesterday we have discussed.
If we are not,
Yeah.
if we are not It would be an object.
Exactly. If you are defining it,
It would be that defined type, like integer or something.
type, right? T means
Yeah.
type here. T means type here. So
Yeah.
whenever, if suppose if tomorrow you are writing a class, okay, you are writing a class. For that class, just like how ArrayList is giving a facility to add generic, if you want to also give the generics to the like developers to use it, okay, then you have to define it as T. There are so many types. K, V, and S also, I think so. T means type, K means key, V means value.
Okay.
One more thing, S or I'm not, I don't remember exactly. There are totally, yeah, E actually. E is element. These are all are same. All are, see, instead of T, you keep K. It is not going to be changed anything. But the thing is, it looks readable. If you say T, it is going to be type. If you say K, it is going to be key. If you're going to say V, value. Basically, we have to define this way. So, in order to get the type which you are expecting, then you have to see, if you are not defining integer, you are not going to get an integer array. You are going to get an object array. You know that?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, right.
we have defined. That's why in order to get all those things, the T is kept there. Got it?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
the second T of arrays, it is a return type. What is a return type? It is a type array. We say, right?
Yeah.
That is a return type.
Yeah.
Right. Clear?
Okay. Yeah, clear. Shall I close this?
Yeah. Got it, right? Which you are correct. You are done is correct only. The only thing is we can do it, or we can use existing methods.
With the connections.
Yeah. Now it's reverse process. Now create an array and converting it into an array list. Let's see. This is more important.
Okay. Should I create a new program or can continue it?
No, continue it. Why do we go for
Okay. I have to create an array. Okay. Okay. I have to create
strings. This time use strings. No, you don't need to create integer. You can create int also, but it's better you create string this time. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So that we'll have two things.
Okay.
Seems that you practice good actually, because
thank you.
Yeah, this is the way if you practice. If you practice this way, definitely you'll, because I see much faster than other students. Whatever I have, till now I have. So yeah.
Okay.
You can easily get on with this.
Yeah. Thank you. I have to mention the size right here because.
Yeah,
because there is no collection.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You are coming with an array, right? So.
Yeah. Okay. So, string.
Keep one or two. That should be fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait a second. Whenever you want to do this way, you don't need to define a size.
Okay.
Take out the size. And one more thing. Take out that array string. See, this this flower basis is there, right? Flower basis. From that whole flower basis, copy it.
Okay, I can put it inside the string only, is it?
Okay. Copy it and No, outside of that. Outside of that
Okay.
bracket. Yeah, keep it there. Right.
Okay. Oh, I can do that? Okay.
Right.
So
Now your string is created. You don't
I
need
don't
size because
require.
you already defined the value. Now convert this into
Okay.
array list. Now this time don't write array list add or something. Try with a we'll try with a direct collection method. There is, see, we have seen collections, right? Usually we know collections class. Likewise, for arrays in collection framework for arrays, they have given something called arrays. Arrays. No. Type arrays.
Okay.
Type arrays.
A caps.
Yeah. Arrays. Dot.
Okay.
See, just like collections, you'll see all the methods here.
Yeah.
See, collections is for list and map and all those things. But arrays is for arrays. See, as list, there is a method called as list.
Yeah.
Just click on that.
So arrays is there, and what else would be there?
Collections.
I mean, collections. Only these two, is it?
These two. As list.
Okay, nothing else.
Yeah.
Hash map, or for that no extra.
See, even for arrays, we don't see any sorting function, right? We can do the sorting with arrays. Arrays dot sort of same.
Sort,
whatever we have
it's like
seen.
collection dot sort. Okay.
Exactly. To show that only I gave this example now. Supply array. What is the array you want to convert? Supply array.
Want to convert array string.
Yeah. Assign this whole statement to a list.
Okay.
Because this as list is going to assign. I said don't
assign.
Assign this statement to a list. I didn't say assign something else to this one, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Right, exactly. Right. List.
Okay, I have already created list array. Okay.
List strings. What is there? Just
Yeah.
name only, right?
Yeah.
Complete the statement.
List array is equal to.
Perfect. No, you don't need to do it because that is going to return a. If you want to see as list, what it is returning, you can check. What as list is returning?
Okay.
See, wait. Here
Will be returning
list of strings. It's going to return list of strings.
list of strings.
You need to keep a generic over there at the list. Keep the string as list.
Okay. Yeah.
Generics.
Yeah, got it.
Do we keep generics there?
Sorry, in the list, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can use iterator.
Print.
You can use iterator for printing array list of strings. So here you need to put concentration on arrays. You need to do arrays methods also. Practice arrays methods also, what are all available.
Okay, yeah.
So that's one program. That's good. We are done with that program. Just try to put it. Okay. Would you like to do little complex program or simple program?
Anything is fine wherein I could learn and I can try to do it. I'm okay with anything. Complex as in this is simple, is it? According to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I don't mind doing complex program.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Hello.
Right. Now leave this program now. It's good. Now we'll go for writing a timer program. Okay. So what we are going to do?
Okay. In this.
Yeah. What I'm expecting is every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, Your program should print, once I run the program, every 5 seconds, your program should print the current date. Every 5 seconds, it should print current date.
Okay. Like yesterday, how you showed me,
Exactly.
I have to use a
Yeah.
time task method or
Yeah.
something.
In the same class, wait, in the same Java file, write it. Come down to 6th line, 5th line, enter. Yeah. Class. Yeah. Date task. Just name date task. Extends. Timer task.
Timer task,
Yeah.
like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Now come put the braces. Yeah. Check swing. Control Shift O.
Control Shift. Okay. Yeah.
Now go to move the cursor to the class name date task. Add unimplemented methods because that is the abstract class we discussed, right? Right.
Yeah.
So now you need to write sysout.
Okay. So,
Now we need to know how to print a date. So the method is new date.
okay. It's a different method here.
No. Inside a system,
Here.
inside a sysout,
Oh,
take out that bracket,
okay.
take out that maybe that, and new date.
Date. Okay.
Complete the base. Yes.
Okay.
Import.
So there is something I have to import.
Import. That will come from the wait. There are two things. Yeah.
Literally.
Yes.
I had tried doing this once.
Now you start it. See this one new thing I explained. Now you do the yesterday thing whatever I have told.
Okay. I kind of don't remember.
Okay. Then main program. You need to start with main program, right?
Yeah. Inside this, right? Public
Right.
main method.
Yeah. See, main method should be always in public class. Okay.
Yeah.
You will have only public and default classes. You don't have protected and private classes. Why? The thing is, whenever I am returning a class, I should be able to access it. So if I keep a private or protected classes, I will never be accessed. Then there is no use of accessing them. So that's why Java does not allow protected and private classes.
Okay. Got it.
Create a timer. Create a timer.
Okay. Is it like an object? Okay. Timer.
Person equal to new person. Now timer.
Oh yeah. Right. Yeah.
See, whenever it's saying cannot be resolved, Control Shift O.
Okay.
First one.
Timer. Okay. Okay, now I have to.
Timer dot.
I have created a timer object. So timer dot run is it?
No. Check.
Timer dot
Control space. Check all the methods. We discussed something yesterday.
yeah, delay, right? Timer task, you need it for 5 seconds. There should be a delay of 5 seconds and I think this one. Let me check.
Use the fourth one.
With the period, is it? Okay, I actually forgot yesterday what you told.
Yeah, that is this program is not that important, but here the date thing is important. Now it's the task, it is expecting a task. What is the task? New date task.
Time.
New date task.
Yeah. So it would be run program? No.
No, no.
New date.
New date task. You are supplying an object. New date task means you have to give space, right? In between new.
Oh yeah.
You need to supply object. Task or object.
Supply object.
Object
Okay.
of this timer task.
Of this class. Okay.
Top it is asking.
Delay.
First thing it is not completed. Object is that way created?
No. I have to.
Right. You give that's true. That's okay. The next parameter should be around 1000.
5.
1000.
Okay.
That means when I run the program, it will wait for 1 second, and period is 5000. Every 5000 seconds, it is going. 5000 milliseconds, it is going to execute.
Okay. This is milliseconds. Yeah.
Right. Save it.
Oh.
Control Shift F and save it. So here the new learning should be for new date. Now run the program. Let's run the program.
So when you create an object of this, you're getting the date for 5 seconds gap, right?
Right. See, it waited for 1 second initially. See the second.
Okay, now 5 seconds.
Right. Got it?
5 seconds. Initially for 1 second because of this, right? Delay.
Right.
Okay.
How much delay you want?
Oh, nice. So how many times would it print?
It will print until you close the program. It will
Oh,
not stop.
okay. Okay.
You triggered it, right? You triggered it. It's going to work.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. You learned good programming now in collection. Any other doubts you have?
In collection, I need to work more. I was just looking over the hash map, hash table and all. I wanted to do more programs. I will do it by end of today, and I'll get back to you if I have any doubts.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah,
Mainly, like you said, the typecasting part I need to practice, and the collection with the objects.
What do you need from me to understand typecasting? Tell me. I'll tell you.
I understood what you told me, but when I'm doing programs all by myself, I need to know when I need to typecast and all that. Still, I haven't practiced, so I just have an idea vaguely.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it good for you to show me multiple examples? When you showed me few examples in between when you were explaining, when I had a doubt. I just wanted to know multiple examples when in a different kind, how typecasting would be used. Like for example, in this class, typecasting many objects, one in a simple way so that I could understand.
No, actually the thing is, you do it one typecasting or many typecasting. The typecasting is going to be the same, right?
Yeah, it would be of the same pattern, right? Syntax won't change.
Syntax won't
it's only the different types,
but
data types or typecasting or object.
If your parent class is referring child class A, and you are typecasting to the parent child class B, then you will get class cast exception.
Okay.
Right? You're holding a person object, but you're trying to cast it to the employee object. That should not be. That is the only mistake we usually do. That we should not do it.
Okay. I will go through this again. I'll make sure I'll understand. In case I have doubts, I'll come back to you.
Yeah. Arrays, you need to
and just one confirmation I just wanted from you. In case after the whole training part, somewhere I am stuck up with my official project or something. Is it good to get back to you on that so that I could just get some help or heads up how to go about?
Yeah, you just send me through mail what you are having a trouble. If I can tell you in mail, I'll give you everything in the mail. There's no problem. Don't worry about that. That's not
Okay.
not an issue actually.
Because just wanted some kind of support initially when I begin
Yeah,
with
so many. See, initially
Java.
I used to give training to the people who are going for 2+ experience and all. So they usually call me, but sometimes it is very difficult because
Yeah,
the thing is,
I understand your work.
no, not about my work or something. What I'm saying is difficult to understand your requirement because
Yeah.
you're having lot of steps, lot of project and everything. You will tell only the core part, whatever you need. You'll not tell what exactly available to you. Okay. So at that time, what is your expectation? I don't get it actually. People will call me,
Yeah.
or I want reporting. Uh, what reporting? Where you?
No, maybe in my case, it would be the codes which I write or how exactly to go about it.
That's
Something like that, yeah.
yeah. It will come case, not an issue. Yeah, if see
Yeah,
if I am able to if I'm able to help it, I will help it. It is not about the time constraint. If I understand your requirement, I will help it out.
okay.
If I can't understand,
Okay.
that is nowhere I can do it right.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and anyhow, I'll send this record session. And one more thing from my side, I'll be off on uh, 1 second. I'll be off on Thursday and Friday. Okay. Don't worry. I'll cover up. I'll cover up that speed. Okay. Your Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, okay, Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah. That means tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will have a class. And yeah, like I have something. So don't worry. I will cover up the speed. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay. Would you be able to take Saturday and Sunday instead of Wednesday and Thursday?
Yeah. I'll take care of that. Just
Okay.
as it is taken. So I'll take care of that.
Only thing why I'm asking for a Saturday and Sunday classes, for those two classes, I can be more prepared on the whole week's thing. And also because the Saturday and Sunday is a day which I get to practice a lot.
Yeah,
that is what I did these 2 days.
The problem is Sunday is very difficult for me. Yeah,
Okay.
but let's do it. Not an issue.
Is it okay for you to take Saturday 2 hours to cover up also? I am okay with it, provided it's your convenience.
That's not a problem. Yes, I don't like to take more hours, as I said, because if something not understandable, it will become like a typecasting. Okay, so.
This typecasting little I'm not aware because I am not able to practice it or I haven't used it anywhere other than the programs which you showed.
Yeah.
Maybe later I will be able to understand.
We will do it. We'll do it actually.
Yeah.
The next thing is we are going to start with exceptions. Okay. That needs only, for me, that needs only 1 or 2 days. Okay. But the second day, okay, first actually I'll cover the basics of exception, and there is a good concept in exception that I will cover once whole core Java is completed.
Okay.
Because initially I used to explain that concept at the time of exception, no one used to understand. Again at the end, they will ask, please explain this concept. At that time, if I explain, they will understand. Because to understand that concept, they need to understand whole other concepts. So we may take 1 day or mostly 2 days for exception right now, and we take another half an hour or 1 hour for exception once our training session is completed.
Okay, yeah, got it.
And then after that we'll start with files, and then threads and AWT.
AWT as it?
Abstract window toolkit, that is for usually writing applet programming. That is, we will not spend more than 1 or 2 hours. That is of no use, because right now nobody is using in the market. So it's a waste of time. If you are you need to know, because if you are going for an interview, then they will ask. I mean. So
yeah. How about advanced Java? After that, you would be able to start it.
Yeah, we may take like like 3-4 days gap. Okay, once it is completed, and then we'll start with advanced Java. Okay. For advanced Java, actually, the thing is, instead we start with the programs and all. What I will do, we'll start small programs first. Okay, small concept I'll tell you. So we have 20 hours for advanced Java, right? So it will go to 30 hours. So what I am going to do is, initially 10 hours we will discuss all the minimum concepts,
Okay.
and then remaining 15 or 20 hours we'll start a simple project. Okay,
Okay.
and we'll try to implement all other concepts with as per a project, so that
Okay.
your all concepts will be covered, and it will be covered as a integrated.
Yeah, okay.
Then we will be
I want a little more detailed training in JSP and servlets mainly, and how it's
I'm
being
telling.
used for
I'll tell you
making.
one thing. I'll tell you one thing. In your lifetime, till you are Java developer, you will never write a servlet.
Yeah, okay.
Do you know that? Do you know that?
But for web applications, you write servlet, right?
Nothing. You don't write it. I mean, see, you will not get a chance. I'm saying. For web applications, you write it. All you need is, excuse me, all you need is, you need to understand the servlet. That's very important. The thing is, you will never ever get a chance to write a single servlet in your any of the projects. I'll give guarantee that. Because if you go for a project, the project is already built. The project is already built. You might be working on a maintenance. So when you are doing a maintenance project, you will not be able to do a servlet. Suppose that I'll go for Scratch project. Even though you go for Scratch project, no one write a framework. People start using Struts, Spring, or JSF framework. So we can or anything. There are so many frameworks out there. Okay, web tools. So likewise, if you use that framework itself gives the servlet. Okay. It is just to learn servlet is just for learning sake only. Okay.
Okay.
Sake, and
I just want to know how it would be useful for web applications.
Yeah,
because
without that you cannot do it, right? See, we will do
Yeah.
servlet programming, we'll do JDBC programming, we'll do JSP programming, and we will integrate all of these with all core Java programs.
Okay.
So we'll put some. See, we'll do one task management. Okay. So in like in the what we will do is in task management. See, there is a team lead is there. Under him, 5 people are there. Okay. So now when he is logging with his user ID, team leader, he should be able to see some buttons wherein he can click on the add task button. He can add the task and enter the employee ID of the employee, like like subordinate. So when he enter this ID, click on submit the task. Then we will, if we want to see the list of tasks assigned to all the employees, he can see it. Okay. Now, his subordinate open the application and log in with his ID. Then he will be seeing that okay, there is a task assigned to him. Then he can do some manipulation. So that kind of application we will build it. That would be simple and wherein we can complete and we can cover almost all the concepts of advanced Java, core Java, everything. And in real time with the standards of real time. The project, see, writing a code is not important. Project is running, it's not important. I mean, for now, whether you are writing the standards or not is more important. That time we'll write a lot of interfaces. We will write a lot of transfer objects. We will write a lot of classes, constant classes. That time we will come to know the usage of it, and you will know what is the real time usage, what is the standard, how we need to follow. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
So that's what. So don't we'll do it, but you just give your expectations. Meanwhile, accordingly our program will be tuned. Okay. But whatever I have, it is going to be sufficient. What you are going to ask.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So on the first day you have doubts, right? Like what you were saying something about the program. Is everything is clear now?
Yeah. Everything is fine.
Right. So
Yeah.
that's good. Let's if you don't have any doubts, let's wind up and we'll meet tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay then.
Nothing for today. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good night.
Bye.
Yeah. Good night.
Good.